Do you want to personalize your Android phone with your favorite photo? In this video, I will show you how to set any picture as your wallpaper on Android step by step, whether it's for your home screen, lock screen, or both. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google here or to Play Store. Then here on above you will search about Pinterest like this, and here you will enter to Pinterest. After that, here you can choose for any picture you want to add it to your home screen or lock screen. For example, let's try to choose something like that here. Then here in this page, you will tap on these three dots. These three dots here. And after that, we click on download image. And it will be started to download. Then when it completes here, you will go to your gallery. You will find this picture first here on your gallery and you will tap on it. And after that, you will find these three dots. You will go to above. And here you can set this picture as your wallpaper in this window of set as wallpaper. And here you can choose whether if you want to add it as lock screen, home screen. Lock and home screen means both. You can also choose other options like call background or alarm background. So let's choose home screen to see how it will be looked like this. And you click on OK. When you tap here, it just don't have a lot of space, but when you click here set and you click on home screen, it will appear here. As you see here, when you click on set as wallpaper, you'll find it in that way. You can choose also frame for this photo here if you want to add it in that way here like this. You can choose a normal frame. You can also choose colors if you choose any frame here, for example like this. You can also choose effects if you want to add any effect here for this picture like this. You can just sweep to this window here, and for example for this you can choose these colors here, any color you want. And when you end with all this stuff, you can click here on above and you click on done. When you click on done, your image or picture will be ready and it will be applied to your home screen in that way as you see here. So that's it. This is how you can add any picture to your home screen on Android phone. So if you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.